Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most important question every GATE aspirant has. How many seats are actually available through GATE architecture and planning in which college? Let's break it down. So first is participating institute accepting GATE architecture score. Student with GATE architecture score can apply for postgraduate MArch or M-Plan admission or PSU recruitment via platform like CCMT and COAP. NITs, IIST, Shibpur, Select, IIITs and other CFIs via CCMT admissions or IIT, NITs, triple ITs, other centrally funded institute and PSU via GATE depending on their internal parameters. Though exact seat count per AR program are not publicly listed yet, these platforms manage admission including seat allotment and reservation details. Now coming to the most important part, the seats. While the exact seat matrix changes every year is related during CCMT or COAP counseling, here's the approximate seat distribution based on previous years. Like in IITs, the programs they are giving in IIT Roorkee, Kharagpur, MArch, M-Plan, Urban Planning, Transportation Planning, etc. with seat of 120 to 150. NITs, M-Plan, Urban and Regional Housing, Transportation, some MArch with 200 to 250 seats. In SPAs, Delhi, Bhopal and Vijayawada specialized master in planning and architecture and in some MDes seat have seat of 150 to 180. IIEST, triple ITs, GFTIS has smaller planning architecture program with seat of 50 to 70. So total all India via GATE across IIT, NITs, SP and others have seat of 500 to 650 seats approx. These are some key notes like seats include general plus OPC plus SC, ST plus EWS plus PWD. Reservations are applies. Actual seat matrix is released during CCMT and COAP counseling. Popular programs like M-Plan, Urban Planning, Housing, Transport in SPA Delhi and IIT Roorkee are the most competitive ones. Cutoff vary yearly depending on the applicants and difficulty of the papers. So if you are aiming for top institute like IITs and NITs, make sure you are targeting a strong GATE score, not just a qualifying one. So to summarize, GATE 2026 in architecture and planning opens doors to IITs, NITs and SPA with about 500 to 650 seats in total, but your dream college depends on your rank and specialization preference. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates on GATE architecture and planning. Thank you. Bye.